Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us prepare carrot cupcakes. For this, first let us get ready with the carrots. Take a big carrot and grate it. This is over and this has to be around 1 to 1.5 cups. This is ready, set this aside. Next we will move on to the dry ingredients. Take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida. To this add half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder and a pinch of cinnamon powder. Give a nice mix. Nutmeg and cinnamon powder are optional, but when added it will give you a nice flavor. Next we will move on to the wet ingredients. Take 1 egg. To this add 3/4 cups of sugar. I'm going to use an electric beater to beat this, but if you don't have an electric beater, you can use a mixie jar. Beat this well till it is frothy. So it has to be like this. And this is perfect. Now let us add half a cup of melted butter. Give a nice mix. If you are not using nutmeg or cinnamon powder, you can use a teaspoon of vanilla essence at this stage. After mixing this well, add the grated carrots. Once this is mixed properly, we can add the dry ingredients into this. Start adding the dry ingredients little by little and give a nice mix. Give a nice mix and make sure no lumps are formed. Now let us add few chopped walnuts and raisins. You can add around half a cup of walnuts and raisins as combined. Before filling the tray, let us get ready with the oven. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. I'm using cupcake papers here and fill the batter till half a level of the paper. And we are going to bake this for about 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Here the toothpick has come out clean, so our cake is ready. Even without any toppings, this cake will taste so good. Here let us do a very simple topping. Take 4 tablespoons of whipping cream powder. To this add 1/4 cup of chilled milk. Beat this vigorously till stiff peaks are formed. Here I have used whipping cream powder, but if you can get whipping cream easily, you can go for that. This is perfect. Now let us transfer this into a piping cone. Decorations are up to you. You can use any type of nozzle. Fill up to 3/4 of the cone. Now let us top the cake with some cream. You can top it with any kind of decorations like cherries or sprinkles or some colored balls. Hope you like the cake. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.